gentlemen, just 6 days to go before the first vote is cast in Bihar, the only major Hindi heartland state without a BJP chief minister. Why this fact matters and why it's central to the opposition's narrative, we'll get to that in just a moment. But first, let's get you up to speed with the big story today. 3 days after the Mahagathbandhan unveiled its Tejasvi Ka Pran Patra, the NDA hit back, rolling out what it calls the guarantees of Panch Pandav. It was released by BJP Chief JP Nadda and Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. Jobs and women were clearly the main focus. NDA promised to provide 1 crore government jobs and set an ambitious target of turning 1 crore women into Lakpati Didis. But here's what generated more buzz. That the launch lasted barely 10 minutes. No big speech, no grand optics, just a quick unveil and exit. The ammo that is now finding its way into the Mahagathbandhan's hands, well, it's what they needed really. Listen in.
They have not read even a single word of the manifesto. You have just shown the picture of manifesto. So it shows, and it is the proof that NDA, they never implement its promises and manifesto.
नहीं, मेरा सीधे तौर पे कहना है कि ये दबाव है. हमने रिलीज किया, वे अहेड रिलीज किया.
एनडीए को तो अपना रिपोर्ट कार्ड जारी करना चाहिए. मैनिफेस्टो जारी करने का क्या मतलब है? आपको अपना रिपोर्ट कार्ड जारी करना चाहिए, ये बताना चाहिए कि आपने 20 वर्ष में क्या किया है और क्या नहीं किया है.
माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी की अगुवाई में केंद्र सरकार और माननीय नीतीश कुमार की अगुवाई में एनडीए की बिहार सरकार गरीबों के लिए विशेष चिंता करते हैं. ये मैनिफेस्टो सबों की चिंता करता है.
Now let me tell you why the Chief Minister question is at the heart of this battle. Look at the first reactions pouring in after NDA's manifesto release and you'll see why. Instead of countering the NDA on its promises or questioning the report card of 20 years in power, the Congress and RJD are fixated on something else entirely. Their attack lines: why was Nitish Kumar not allowed to speak? Why is he being sidelined? Why is Bihar's chief minister remote controlled? Opposition's focus is not on Nitish Kumar's performance, and that's telling, because when a 4-term chief minister faces anti-incumbency, you usually hit him on his track record. Why is the opposition not doing that? Well, listen in.
आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को तो पता ही नहीं होगा कि उस घोषणा पत्र में क्या है. शायद उनको बोलने ना दिया जाए, इसलिए जो है जल्द से जल्द जो है ये खत्म कर लिया गया.
नीतीश जी को बोलने क्यों नहीं दिया जा रहा? नीतीश जी का नाम लेने में ये लोग कतरा क्यों रहे हैं? नीतीश जी को ये मुख्यमंत्री नहीं बनाना चाहते तो खुलकर बोल दें. ये इशारों में क्या बात हो रही है?
नीतीश जी को ये लोग कठपुतली बना के रखा है. उनको किनारे करना चाहता है. केवल उनके चेहरे को आगे करके उनका वोट लेना चाहता है.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
So what explains NDA and Mahagathbandhan strategies? Whose promises do people find credible? Are 19% Muslims still a united vote bank? Will Jan Suraj narrative haunt Tejasvi Yadav's prospects? Will Prashant Kishore manage to be the disruptor? If yes, then for whom? Or will Modi magic and Nitish Kumar's popularity make it a one-sided contest? And are they working? We asked the people of Bihar. Our pollster JVC Sriram asked over 32,000 voters of Bihar in the course of the last 1 week what they thought as the race enters its last lap. And here are the answers. But before I begin the questions, let me introduce my panel this evening. Joining me tonight, JVC Sriram, political strategist with me. All political strategists are now, leading parties, contesting elections. JVC, are you going to be there in the next polls? I don't know. No. Maybe you'll be standing and floating a new political outfit. Siddharth Yadav, national spokesperson of the BJP, joins JVC Sriram. Also to my right, Professor Anwar Pasha, national spokesperson of the RJD. RJD. Akshat Shaunak, spokesperson of the Jan Suraj, also joining us in our studios. Dr. Sanjay Kumar, national spokesperson of the JDU, also joining us. Aseem Bakar, national spokesperson of the AIMIM. But my first question will go to Sanjay Jha once I take the questions in the survey. And let me start with the CM face question itself. Most popular CM face right now in Bihar: Tejasvi Yadav 33%, Nitish Kumar 29%, Chirag Paswan 10%, Prashant Kishore 10%, Samrat Chaudhary 9%, anyone else from the BJP 4%, anyone else from the Mahagathbandhan 5%. Tejasvi Yadav steals a march over Nitish Kumar, who was more popular when we did this survey in September. And that tracker, important tracker, you think, JVC?
100% yes. I think I should tell you at this point in time that whenever the BJP is going ahead, JDU takes a backseat. When JDU goes ahead, BJP takes a backseat. And because this double engine, what they talk about, BJP and JDU, the leading parties in NDA, in last 3 months, together, they have not pushed. And that is what this opinion poll will show to us at the end.
Okay, so it's not pushing together. Individual ups and downs are happening. Thoda up, thoda down.
Exactly.
And that's the way it's going. But Tejasvi Yadav 33%, and of course all the charges of why Nitish Kumar did not even speak at the manifesto release. Siddharth Yadav, issue of worry for the BJP?
No, I think, if we even base our arguments on this, on the poll that you are showing, Navika ji, 52% is the number of voters who wish for an NDA chief minister. If we add up all the chief ministers who come from the NDA background, the number is more than 50%. And I think that is very promising. And I think that's a very clear signal. The people of Bihar have made up a mind, and that is very clear. The Vikas Gatha has to continue. The Vikas Path has to continue. What's happening in Bihar, it will continue, because the development that Bihar has seen under the rule of NDA in past 20 years is something that Bihar wants, and that is why it is the popularity and I think the joint popularity of all leaders of NDA, all Ghatak Dals of NDA, all tall leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party and our alliance partners, that the people of Bihar are very clear that we want a chief minister coming from the NDA.
Well, little solace that when the number is coming down. Opinion on Nitish Kumar as the chief minister: okay and better 47%, bad and worse 41%, can't say 12%. 47% people after 20 years of Nitish Kumar still believe that he is the better performing chief minister. And if there are some you can include from within the 12% who have not taken a position, Nitish Kumar will cross the 50% mark, which is a huge achievement given the fact that he has 20 years of anti-incumbency following him. Yet 50% and more people believe that he's the guy who can provide the better administration and governance. Also, what we asked people of Bihar, Rahul Gandhi's late entry impact. Would it help the Mahagathbandhan? 33% say yes, late entry actually helps the Mahagathbandhan. Would it hurt the Mahagathbandhan? 32% believe it will hurt, which means more people believe that late entry is better than early entry because less damage will be done. No impact, 35%. Aaye, jaaye, rahe, gaye, doesn't matter, 35%. Sanjay Jha, is that a number that would bother you? Because really, Rahul Gandhi, whether he is cutting anything in Bihar, we don't know. People believe Der aaye, acha kiya, spared Tejasvi Yadav, who on his own is spearheading a popularity wave.
The truth, Navika, is exactly to the contrary. It is Rahul Gandhi who actually is the first person who started the campaign in Bihar. His Vote Adhikar Yatra created a complete, what I call as a statewide and had national ramifications on the whole attempt by the Election Commission and the JDU BJP government acting in collusion to disenfranchise the voters of Bihar. So Rahul Gandhi was actually batting from the front foot and was the first man who's galvanized the voter base along with Tejasvi Yadav ji. So let's get that fact sorted out. I think I heard Siddharth.
But there is no early bird prize here, sir. There is no early bird. After that performance, 58 days, there was no show, and people are saying that no show may help actually the RJD, because the next question is the tell-all question. Is SIR still a poll issue in Bihar? Not at all. Say 77% of the people. Yes, say 13% of the people. Can't say 10%. Yani ke, if you add 77 and 10, 87% people believe it's not even an issue. And if that vote adhikar yatra is what you are touting as the success cornerstone, I don't know. But Professor Anwar Pasha, Rahul Gandhi देर से आए, आपने थैंक यू भेजा था क्या? बोला था क्या कि बाद में आना, पहले आओगे तो बंटा धार हो जाएगा?
This is Navika ji, this is your narrative.
मेरा सवाल है.
No, this is not the question. You are trying to create a narrative that has no ground at all. Rahul Gandhi.
पब्लिक का जवाब है, मेरा नहीं है.
Rahul Gandhi is a very respectable leader. The whole country respects him, and he's an asset for not only for Congress, for even Mahagathbandhan also. He's an asset. That is the fact. And now they have copied our manifesto. They are promising now under pressure. They are promising that they are going to give 1 crore job to the youth. So this is just, I think, nothing but cheating, and they have cheated the people of Bihar for the last 20 years. And there's nothing about how they're going to stop crime.
Nobody can cheat. Nobody can cheat anybody for 20 years, sir. Agar itna cheating hota, then the people of Bihar would have thrown them out. Isn't that true, Siddharth?
No, absolutely true, Navika ji. But I wish to correct my learned friend from the RJD. If you start today and promise the people of Bihar हम सबको लेकर के जाएंगे और चांद पर 100 गज जमीन देंगे, that's not a promise, sir. That's a false promise. What you can't deliver. Your track record is when you were giving jobs, you were taking lands for it. You were doing scams for that. And today you come and say, oh, we'll give 3 crore jobs in Bihar. How will you do that? When your leader is asked the roadmap, he has nothing. He will say, अरे बस मेरी बात पर विश्वास रखना. Nobody wishes to copy that. What NDA has given in its manifesto is what is going to be the future of Bihar. What we are giving, we are making Lakpati Didis. We are topping up the Kisan Samman Nidhi. We are going to make mega skill centers. We are going to have more infrastructure developments, 5 new expressways, new roads being constructed, and on the top, 1 crore jobs for the youth. That is what we can deliver. That is what our track record shows. आप तो दिखाएंगे कुछ और, बताएंगे कुछ और. सत्ता प्राप्ति के लिए, Navika ji, someone comes and says anything and everything. Can the people of Bihar believe that? That is cheating, sir. That is cheating.
Well, if that is cheating, let me go to the next question. What is behind the Mahagathbandhan's no Waqf law promise? Appeasing the Muslims. 36% people believe it is appeasing the Muslims. 48% people believe it is the fear of Owaisi that is making them say, Waqf ko phad kar, we'll put it in the dustbin. Can't say 16%. But 48% people believe aap Owaisi se dar gaye. Anwar Pasha ji, please look at this number. Also, Owaisi is 19%, yet no Deputy Chief Minister Bab. Has it hit the Mahagathbandhan? Yes, Mahagathbandhan in dilemma say 32% of the people. No, 38%. Confusing Muslims 30%. तो ये 30 और 32 मिला दें तो 62% of Muslims at the moment impacted. And असीम वकार साहब, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, ये महागठबंधन को आपने इतनी इल्तिजा की कि हमें भी ले लीजिए, नहीं लिया इन्होंने. आपके 4 एमएलए भी ले लिए पिछली बार जो आपने जीते थे. अब जो ओवैसी साहब कह रहे हैं इससे इनका खामियाजा है, आपको एडवांटेज है, हां या ना, क्या इसीलिए कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, सारी पार्टियां मैदान में हैं. 14 तारीख को काउंटिंग होगी, 14 तारीख को सब साफ हो जाएगा. सारी पार्टियों का एक ही मुद्दा है. ऐसा नहीं कि खाली आप हमको ब्लेम कर दीजिए या हमारे ऊपर इल्जाम लगा दिए जाए. जितने भी पार्टी चुनाव मैदान में बिहार में है वो सब एक मकसद के तहत लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। हर नेता एक पद के लिए लड़ रहा है। नीतीश कुमार अपने मुख्यमंत्री बनने के लिए लड़ रहे हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी चाहती है कि वो अपना मुख्यमंत्री दे दे। तेजस्वी खुद को मुख्यमंत्री बनाने के लिए मैदान में है। साहनी साहब मल्लाह अपने मुख्यमंत्री और डिप्टी सीएम की बात कर रहे हैं। तो अगर ओवैसी साहब अपने लोगों की बात कर रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि मुसलमान डिप्टी सीएम बने या मुसलमान सीएम बने, तो गुनाह कबीरा तो नहीं कर रहे हम लोग?
बिल्कुल नहीं, मैंने ऐसा कहा ही नहीं।
हमारा गुनाह क्या है?
मैं ऐसा कहा ही नहीं। मैं सिर्फ कह रही हूं कि उनके कहने से क्या महागठबंधन को तकलीफ हो रही है? मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है, क्योंकि नंबर्स ये दिखा रहे हैं।
देखिए, महागठबंधन को तकलीफ कितनी हो रही है, सवाल ये है। तकलीफ तो हो रही है, ये सब जानते हैं महागठबंधन को तकलीफ हो रही है, लेकिन कितनी ज्यादा तकलीफ हो रही है, सवाल इस पर करना चाहिए कि भाई आपका प्रॉब्लम कहां तक बढ़ गई, आप किस कदर परेशान है एमआईएम से, असद ओवैसी साहब से। ये वजूद तो है एमआईएम का, सब जानते हैं। ताकत भी है एमआईएम की, ये भी सब जानते हैं। हम मैदान में भी हैं, ये भी सब जानते हैं। हमारी लड़ाई भी बहुत मजबूत है, ये भी जानते हैं। और हमारी डिमांड भी बहुत जायज है। गलत डिमांड नहीं हमारी डिमांड जो है वो भी बहुत हक और बहुत जायज है। ये भी अनवर पाशा जानते हैं। क्या अनवर पाशा नहीं चाहते हैं कि मुसलमान डिप्टी सीएम हो? क्या अनवर पाशा नहीं चाहते हैं कि मुसलमान सीएम हो? क्या अनवर पाशा नहीं चाहते हैं कि मुसलमानों की बदहाली दूर हो? क्या अनवर पाशा नहीं चाहते हैं कि एएमयू की ब्रांच जो किशनगंज में आज तक फंड नहीं हुआ, उसका खाली जमीन चार दीवारी बना दी आपने, क्या अनवर पाशा नहीं चाहते हैं वो बने? क्या अनवर पाशा नहीं चाहते हैं कि सीमांचल का विकास हो? क्या अनवर पाशा नहीं चाहते हैं कि वहां की नदियों पे पुल बने? क्या अनवर पाशा नहीं चाहते हैं कि वहां की यूनिवर्सिटीज बने? क्या अनवर पाशा नहीं चाहते हैं कि वहां का मुसलमान तरक्की करें?
आप चाहते हैं मुस्लिम सीएम? अनवर पाशा जी जवाब दीजिए। असीम वकार का बहुत सीधा सवाल है आपसे, क्या आप मुस्लिम सीएम डिप्टी सीएम चाहते हैं, हाँ या ना?
सीएम
नाविका जी, एक जमहूरियत में, डेमोक्रेसी में, लोकतंत्र में समाज के हर तबके को जो उसका ये अधिकार है कि वो सत्ता का हिस्सा बने, उसके पास वोट का अधिकार है। सिर्फ वोटर न रहे बल्कि उसको सत्ता में भी भागीदारी मिले। और हमारी सरकार, हमारी जो पार्टी है वो इस चीज को इंश्योर करती है कि समाज के हर तबके को उसकी नुमाइंदगी मिले। जहां तक सीएम डिप्टी सीएम
where is the representation of the Muslim? You have announced Tejasvi Yadav for the Yadavs. You have announced.
This is a casteist approach. You brand.
But that is what Owaisi ji is saying.
As a leader of Yadavs
That's
only.
what Owaisi ji's charge
but
is.
your leaders become the leader of entire nation. You brand our leader of Muslim, leader of Yadavs, leader of Kurmi. This is the brand. This shows your casteist mindset, Banwadi mindset. This is your approach. We don't believe in it. Each and every section of the society must get their share. They should get justice.
So then where is the share of the Muslims is the question Owaisi ji is asking you.
That demand cannot be, इसको खारिज नहीं कर सकते इस डिमांड को आप, क्योंकि ठीक है
हिंदी में बोल दें
और मिलेगा
के लोगों को आसानी समझ आ जाएगा।
ये मिलेगा।
पूर्णिया के, कटिहार के लोग आसानी से समझ जाएंगे। इनसे कहिए हिंदी में बोल दे एक बार।
हाँ, मैं उर्दू हिंदी में ही बोल रहा हूँ।
बात बोल दो जो बोली है।
वकार साहब, मैं ये बात कह रहा हूँ कि समाज के हर तबके को नुमाइंदगी मिलनी चाहिए। क्या इसमें गलत है? हमारी पॉलिसी है, ये हमारी सेक्युलर पॉलिसी रही है। समाज के हर तबके को सोशल जस्टिस मिलनी चाहिए, इंसाफ होना चाहिए, सबको नुमाइंदगी मिलनी चाहिए, और हमारी कोशिश रही है शुरू से। आज भी देख लें आप, हमारी तादाद जो है, जितने हमारे एमएलएस हैं, जितने लोगों को हमने सीटें दी हैं, दैट इज मैक्सिमम एज फार एज द अदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर कंसर्न। कितने लोगों ने कितनी सीटें दी हैं?
लेकिन डिप्टी सीएम नहीं अनाउंस किया असीम वकार साहब।
हमारे लीडर ने ये कहा है कि हम इलेक्शन के बाद इस पूरी कोशिश होगी कि किसी भी तबके को हम मायूस न करें, निराश न करें।
कोशिश होगी,
बिलीव मी,
कोशिश होगी।
ऐसा
वीआईपी का डेप्यूटी सीएम अनाउंस हो गया, बाकियों के लिए कोशिश होगी। असीम वकार साहब
भी हो,
आप,
ये जरूरी है।
आप मुतमईन
के हर
हैं?
तबके को सत्ता में
आप
हिस्सेदारी
मुतमईन
मिले,
हैं इस
बहुत
जवाब
जरूरी
से?
है। समाज के हर तबके को सत्ता में हिस्सेदारी मिले, इसमें गलत क्या है? मिलेगा और हम इंश्योर करेंगे।
पाशा साहब, अनवर पाशा
जी,
अनवर पाशा साहब
जी वकार साहब,
देखिए, आसिम बकार उत्तर प्रदेश में रहते हैं
जी,
असद वैसी साहब हैदराबाद में रहते हैं
जी,
अखिलेश यादव साहब यूपी में रहते हैं, मोदी जी गुजरात के निवासी हैं
जी,
अमित शाह साहब गुजरात के निवासी हैं। आप हमको सेटिस्फाई मत कीजिए, आप बिहार की आवाम को सेटिस्फाई करने वाली बात कीजिए। मैंने खाली छोटी सी बात पूछी थी कि क्या अपना हक मांगना गुनाह कबीरा है? आप 2% मल्लाहों से ये सौदा कर रहे हैं, या ये कहिए कि 2% मल्लाह आपसे सौदा कर रहे हैं कि हमारा डिप्टी सीएम बनाओ तब हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, और आपने उनसे सौदा किया कि हां प्लीज हमको वोट दो, रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमको वोट दो, हम तुम्हें डिप्टी सीएम बनाएंगे, आपने नाम भी अनाउंस किया। यही हक और यही सौदा आप मुसलमानों से क्यों नहीं
पर वो कह तो रहे हैं, वो कह तो रहे हैं कि वक्त का कानून हम फाड़ कर फेंक देंगे, इससे ज्यादा हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, यही तो कह रहे हैं।
आपका वर्जन है नाविका जी, अपने अल्फाज मेरे मुंह मत डालिए। मैंने ऐसा
अपनी बात रख लूं पूरी, पाशा साहब मैं अपनी बात रख लूं, फिर आप बोलिएगा प्लीज।
बोलिए
पाशा साहब
जी।
अगर मैं आरजेडी का प्रवक्ता होता
जी
और ये मसला खड़ा हो गया होता तो बाखुदा मैं तेजस्वी जी से सीना तान के यह बात कहता कि अगर आप 2% को ऐलान कर रहे हैं तो इलेक्शन से पहले मुसलमानों को भी ऐलान कीजिए, उनके नाम का घोषणा कीजिए। वैसी साहब अपने लिए नहीं कह रहे कि आप
वकार साहब।
अच्छा, अब जवाब सुन लीजिए, अब जवाब सुन लीजिए वकार साहब।
हिम्मत होना चाहिए सर, हिम्मत होना चाहिए।
वकार साहब, आप क्या चाहते हैं कि पूरी मिनिस्ट्री किसको, कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री दी जाएगी, किसको दी जाएगी, किसको नहीं दी जाएगी, सारी चीजें पहले ही तय हो जाएं? सर्कमस्टांसेस ऐसे होते हैं जहां पे किसी नाम का ऐलान किया गया, सर्कमस्टांसेस, वो सर्कमस्टांसेस
तय किया है सर।
ये ऐसे सर्कम, मैं वकार साहब एक मुझे बोलने जवाब देने दीजिए। मैंने सुना आपको,
तय कर रहे हैं हमने, वो आपसे बात
मैंने सुना आपको सर्कमस्टांसेस,
किसी मिनिस्टर की बात नहीं की।
वो कह रहे हैं कि कुछ सर्कमस्टांसेस थे
नामों के ऐलान
इसीलिए
किए गए, लेकिन आप यकीन रखिए कि सरकार जब बनेगी उसमें मुसलमानों की हिस्सेदारी यकीनन उस एतबार से होगी जो उनकी नुमाइंदगी है, जो उनकी आबादी है, जो उनको हक
से
जो मिलना चाहिए, तब उनको मिलेगा उसका।
डॉक्टर संजय कुमार, यानी कि डॉक्टर संजय कुमार
नाविका जी
2.5% को अनाउंस कर दिया।
नाविका जी एक सवाल सिर्फ मेरा आसिम वकार साहब से है। आपने कहा ना कि आप यूपी से आते हैं, हैदराबाद से अवैसी साहब आते हैं, फला जगह से आते हैं। आपने कभी पूछा अवैसी साहब से क्या हैदराबाद में तेलंगाना में मुस्लिम सीएम होना चाहिए, मुस्लिम डिप्टी सीएम होना चाहिए? कभी डिमांड की आपने? नहीं की। वहां भी तो मुसलमान है, वहां मुसलमानों की आबादी है, वो आपका गढ़ है जहां से बुनियाद आपकी पार्टी की है। वहां कभी आज तक
वहां वो नवीन यादव को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, वहां वो कांग्रेस के नवीन यादव को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं।
जी
वकार साहब, पर्दाफाश हो गया आज। नहीं, पर्दाफाश हो गया आज, और डॉक्टर संजय कुमार, नहीं, अब पर्दाफाश हो चुका है, और ये डिबेट सिर्फ आप दोनों के बीच की नहीं है। मैं जेडीयू के डॉक्टर संजय कुमार जी से पूछना चाहती हूँ। संजय कुमार जी, एक कह रहा है वक्फ कानून को फाड़कर डस्टबिन में डाल देंगे। वक्फ कानून पार्लियामेंट का पारित कानून है, उसे कोई राज्य सरकार फाड़ नहीं सकती, फेंक नहीं सकती, हटा नहीं सकती, अगर सरकार में आ भी जाए तो एक तो इन्होंने कह दिया, पिंड छुड़ाया, और दूसरी तरफ आप सुन ही रहे हैं कि 2.5% MY मतलब आजकल तो आरजेडी को सुना रही है AIMIM, MY मतलब मल्ला प्लस यादव, नॉट मुस्लिम प्लस यादव। क्या कहीं ना कहीं अंदर खाने मुश्किलें बढ़ रही हैं?
Regarding the MY thing and the way they have announced, although it is their very, internal matter, but the way people are looking at it is, very, very visible that that Muslims are given tickets. Muslims are like their vote bank. That is how they claim. But when it comes to announcing the power relations which Mr. Sahni was able to twist, like he was able to flex the muscles within Mahagathbandhan. But the Muslim representation or their dynamics is not so strong that they could not flex their muscles.
बिल्कुल मैं कास्टिस्ट नहीं हूं पर नंबर्स बता दूं. There are 51 Yadavs who have got tickets in the RJD and only 18 Muslims who have got tickets. Well, these numbers are statistics, they are facts. Make what you want out of this. But let's also go to the next question. We asked the question to the people of Bihar. What do you make of Tejasvi Yadav's commitment to provide one government job per family? Gimmick say 43% people, possible 38%, can't say 19%. So if you combine 43 and 19%, 62% people actually believe not really possible. अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि 3 करोड़ नौकरियां दे देंगे, not really possible. Let's also look at the next question, jobs and government schemes. Who is more transparent? Mahagathbandhan 39%, NDA 43%, neither 18%. NDA has an edge over the Mahagathbandhan. लोग ज्यादा बिलीव कर रहे हैं एनडीए को. They have promised 3 करोड़. प्रेशर तो आप पे भी है. आज 1 करोड़ का आपका भी वादा आ गया. 1 करोड़ नौकरियां कहां से देंगे? बताइए ना देश को.
देखिए नाविका जी, I think BJP is one and NDA is one alliance and BJP is one party which delivers what it promises. We have a roadmap, we have a blueprint. 1 crore jobs in Bihar is not unrealistic. When we took over charge in Bihar, the budget of Bihar was 25,000 crores. We today in 2025 stand at 3.17 lakh crores in Bihar. When we took over in Bihar, there were no medical colleges, there was no infrastructure, it was a state of Jungle Raj. And the data speaks for itself. The courts were saying that it was Jungle Raj. But today we have a conducive environment where more and more industries are being set up, 71,000 crores of investment for major infrastructure developments, roads being built, businesses coming in, and now the economy is in good shape. The government has more money in its hands, and that is why when we say that 1 crore jobs can be delivered, it is a very realistic number which in 5 years we'll be able to deliver. There is no doubt about it. But I also wish to highlight what my two learned friends were saying, and when they were discussing about one particular vote bank, I was able to witness what a choice of words was being used. Why so sensitive with those choice of words? Why were you so careful with what you are saying? Because at the end of the day, for one alliance, it's all about vote bank. We don't want to make somebody, angry with us. परेशान नहीं करना है. जैसे तैसे vote bank की बात करनी है. And that is why we will promise anything, and we will also have the courage to come out and say हम इसको फाड़ देंगे. जो लोग पेन को फेंकते हैं वही तो बिल को फाड़ते हैं.
आपने अभी भी नहीं बताया 1 करोड़ नौकरियां कहां से आएंगी. 3 करोड़ पर आप सवाल उठा रहे हैं और आप पर इल्जाम है कि आप 30 सेकंड में बोलकर निकल गए. मैनिफेस्टो को समझाया नहीं. पैसे कहां से आएंगे?
नाविका जी, हमारे तो सम्राट जी वॉज देयर. सम्राट जी डिड अ फुल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस. आई थिंक एवरीबडी शुड सी. जाकर के मैनिफेस्टो के ऊपर पूरी बात करी. किसको डाउट है उसमें? एक बात बताई, रोड मैप बताया.
सिद्धार्थ जी ने बिल्कुल अभी कहा सम्राट जी वॉज देयर. इट मीन्स कि ही इज द CM face in Bihar of NDA, of BJP.
खुद ही खुश होना है.
Declaration from your side.
Self-made controversy.
And
all alliance partners in NDA saying there is no confusion, all of us are together. आपकी अपनी दाल गल नहीं तो हमारे हाथ में जाके करनी है.
Claiming that we are going to do this, we are going to do this, we are going to do this. Are you coming first time in power in Bihar? Do you know who is in power in Bihar? NDA is running Bihar for last 20 years. What you have done?
Sir,
should I failed to do?
Should I tell you?
That's why you are saying that now we'll do this. Now we'll do this.
For 15
now we'll do this.
How many medical colleges did you build? Pasha साहब बताइए. How many medical colleges did you build? 15 साल में.
We have.
I want the viewers to know zero.
We have.
Pasha ji की party built zero. We built 15. That's the difference.
Kindly
we deliver.
Kindly correct yourself. You said that there was no medical college in Bihar.
Sir, in 15 साल zero medical college.
How many medical colleges you have opened?
क्रेडिट लेंगे ना. आजादी का भी
Bihar has dozens of medical colleges there.
Sir, I am asking name one medical college जो 15 साल में लालू जी ने बनाया. बताइए.
You cannot name
One medical college.
You cannot name one. We can name.
Sir, I am
50.
on record on national
We
television
made-
saying 15 years, you
We
built
created
zero.
7 universities.
We built 15.
We created
38
7
engineering
universities.
colleges. 31 polytechnic colleges.
You have
55,000
How many
kilometers of
universities
rural
you have
road
opened in Bihar?
network.
Not
Double the
a
roads of
single
what you could build in
You have
50
not
years.
even
That's what we do.
Patna University is a central university.
Arre, Kamal
People
sir.
of Bihar are asking for last 20 years.
Kamal,
You have not given one
asking,
central university to Bihar.
asking for 20.
We
But when we were
created
in 15 years, we didn't do
7
anything.
universities, state universities.
Kamal
in Bihar.
Pasha Sahab, you're a learned man.
Our leadership.
At least have the record. I'm asking you what you did.
He opened.
Sir, I'm giving what I did. I'm giving you what I did.
One
In 20 years, what NDA did, I'm giving you a
We
data of
created
that.
2
I'm
state
giving you a
universities.
report card of
How
that.
many
What
state
you
universities
did,
you have given?
you gave
How many
Jungle
state
Raj.
universities you have given?
The court had to come out and say that this is Jungle Raj.
How many colleges you have given to Bihar?
Zero. Rajniti.
Zero.
Apparent ka
Schools are
karobar.
being
That's
closed.
what you did.
Yes, schools are
Come
being
on, sir,
closed.
आपको पता है ये बात.
The illiteracy rate is higher in Bihar.
Anwar Pasha
This is
ji,
your contribution.
Come on.
1990 to 2005 and 2005 to 2025, you can find a lot of fault. कि बहुत काम होना चाहिए था, इतना काम नहीं हुआ, लेकिन 1990 to 2005 वर्सेस द लास्ट 20 years का बाकी और कंपैरिजन करने लगेंगे तो घाटे में रहेंगे. लेकिन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इम्पैक्ट ऑफ पीके's डिसीजन, प्रशांत किशोर's डिसीजन नॉट टू कॉन्टेस्ट, नो इम्पैक्ट से 18%, will help Mahagठबंधन 36%, will help NDA 46%. That's a big giveaway. And Akshat, Shaunak with us in the studios. I want to ask you, NDA के डर से पीके जी ने contest नहीं किया? That's the question everybody is asking, and that is why PK's popularity ratings are also down, and his presence as a third force, despite the large crowds that he is getting, is being questioned by those in competition with you. Please respond.
See, Navika ji, thank you for putting forward this particular question, because I like to take you back to 6 months, wherein this was the major question, that whether this is a credible unit or not, whether it's a credible party or not. And today, when we are talking about it, amidst all the controversies and speculations and allegations, it is very clear, and the voters of Bihar are voraciously stating this fact, that at least by coming of Jan Swaraj, the fight of Bihar has become triangular, if not bipolar, which it was earlier. And this is not only with regards to the numbers which you are showing here, it's about the perception and the polling numbers as well. And it is very much evident in the from the data of the last bypoll which we fought last year. The contested bypoll showed clearly that 10% of vote share was taken by a party which was barely formed 10 days before that election. Our candidates were ranked 3rd to 4th in every possible election. And you see that after all those results, and in the last 9 months, there has been a very positive I would say a positive workforce, or a force of the unit of the people which is behind us. They are backing us because we are talking a narrative.
It did start. Did it peak too early, JVC?
Yeah, I would like to ask one question. You know, there was so much of buzz that Prashant Kishore is going to contest against Tejasvi Yadav. It was openly discussed. And last minute, that withdrawal, it has an impact, and you will see the final numbers. And what is your take on that?
I humbly disagree with what you are trying to say over here, because Prashant Kishore's narrative around Jan Swaraj was that we are going to bring all our candidates on all possible seats of Bihar. I think we are the first party which was trying to contest on 243 seats, and we are still in competition in majority of the seats. The narrative, if you try to dig deep into it, was that Prashant Kishore will bring the most talented, the most capable individuals of different castes, different communities, different religion on all those seats, who will be representatives of Prashant Kishore, representatives of
do narratives win elections, or do people and voting and netas? But Siddharth Yadav, okay, Siddharth Yadav, I want to ask you, Prashant Kishore, third force, reality or just a pipe dream?
No, I don't want to break the dreams of my learned friend who's representing the party. I think it's just a matter of time that, you know, the results will come out and we'll see what kind of force he was. I do not think that Prashant Kishore has any impact on the ground. Not at all. And I don't think that
no impact on the ground.
No, I don't think that he's going to make much of a difference?
Sanjay Jha,
Much of a
Sanjay
difference
Jha,
or much of a change?
if there was a general on the battleground, would it have been better, or the general only strategizing as he has done for several other political parties? Is that the winning formula?
Well, I'll leave the Bihar voters to respond on that, but one thing is very clear from your survey, Navika. Tejasvi Yadav is the future of Bihar. Nitish Kumar is the past. Bihar is looking around for change. Unemployment of the youth is a very serious problem, which is why the BJP gets very nervous even when you utter the word a Gen Z aspiration. So they don't want to talk about employment because they feel there is going to be a political revolution. It is an economic need. It is a social justice need for employment. Bihar will give a very strong
I only disagree. What social justice? You are not going to give Muslims, the 18% of Muslims, even a single seat of a deputy chief minister. We are the sole representatives of Muslims in the country. We are giving 34 seats.
Congress did not get a seat for themselves.
They were wanting one for themselves. After contesting on almost 60 seats. You are
ask them to go out of the room.
But there are friendly fights on several others.
No, there are no friendly fights in a democracy, Navika ji. It's all, if you are a friend, then there cannot be a possibility of fights. They are just trying to mislead the people.
Anwar Pasha ji, jawab dijiye.
The people of Bihar, they have witnessed how the India government has worked for last 20 years. So they have no faith, they do not trust this.
That is why you are doing friendly fights?
This manifesto, people of Bihar do not trust it at all.
Sir,
because your Prime Minister promised to give 2 crore votes to 2 crore job. Yes, our Prime Minister, but your leader, he promised to give 2 crore job to the youth every year.
Sir, how many
it means 22 crore jobs not given.
Promises. Because the MI
1 crore promise is like 2 crore promise of Prime Minister.
No, sir, you should not talk about promises.
This is not based on the fact.
RJD has cheated the Muslims.
Our leadership
You have cheated the Muslims.
Because you gave 5 lakh jobs
in 5 years. 1 crore jobs will happen in Bihar. You see that. You feel happy today. The people of Bihar are not even considering what you are saying.
People of Bihar, you go by the
you
survey.
You go and try to cheat them.
Leader
promise them anything.
Survey. Our leadership is
Then let's go.
This is the proof that how the people of Bihar are thinking.
How many seats are contesting?
The first vote has not been cast yet. That's going to happen on the 6th of November. But let's go to the projections of JVC's survey to the vote share. NDA 41% to 43%. That's the projection. Mahagathbandhan 39 to 41%. JVC, do you want everybody to chew their nails through this election?
That's how it's going to be. It's a photo finish.
2%.
Because I can tell you there are 7 stories which probably on the polling day we would say to our people. Candidate selection.
Who's done it?
Absolutely.
Better?
No, both the parties have
messed it
up very badly. Like say, Parihar, there was a lady by name Ritu Jaiswal, who had given a very good fight in 2020, who lost by just 27,000 votes in 2024 Lok Sabha election, denied seat. Same way, Subodh at Ramnagar. Ramnagar is a bastion, BJP bastion, and they are losing right now. At Chainpur, they have given a seat to a Muslim MLA who won from BSP, and the 3-term BJP MLA who was a minister had been denied, and he safely went to RJD. Now there are stories like that. Both the sides have goofed up big time, and that is the reason why this close vote share is coming up.
Well, very close, 41 to 43% NDA, Mahagathbandhan 39 to 41%, the Jan Swaraj Party 6 to 7%. Again, I will have to tell you that it's lower than what we saw in September and August.
You will definitely agree to the fact that the momentum is real and it's aggressive, at least for a year-old party. What do you expect of a year-old
party? My friend, from last month and the month before that. Does that worry you?
There is I humbly disagree with you. There is a very strong undercurrent which is going on within the voters of Bihar, and things will be clear as we go across this particular fight.
Unless of course the mysterious death in Mokama.
There are very intense places.
Jungle Raj आप कहते हैं Siddharth Yadav. the kind of crime that we've seen over the last 2 or 3 months, including the Jan Suraj supporter yesterday, where does that leave governance?
Contest from JDU one times and now RJD. Last time RJD, Anand Singh, this time JDU. So NDA, there is no firewall of saying no to Bahubalis. You have to tell me.
Please, Siddharth, both questions.
No, I think, Navika, there can be no comparison of a Jungle Raj from the RJD rule to today.
What happened yesterday?
And I don't think isolated incidents can count for that. Let me tell you, it's a stat. I'm not speaking for that. 80% of dacoities and murders in Bihar are down. 80%. The ransom calls were being made from Chief Minister's residence. All crime in Bihar was supported by one family.
I have to intervene.
All crime in Bihar was supported.
जंगल राज ज्यादा बड़ा है सर, आप इसमें डिबेट नहीं कर सकते।
मेरे बात बोल लीजिएगा। आप 6% अभी मेरे बात बोलिए।
बिल्कुल ठीक है। नहीं तो ये बात ये देखना होगा।
मेरे बात बोलिए।
नहीं जिस लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की तारीफ आप कर रहे हैं,
valid point. The young man says you can't. The comparison is not between किसका बड़ा जंगल राज.
Absolutely not, and that is why I say there is no comparison. There is no comparison.
You have two dons who have been responsible for death of 700 people.
Okay, Anwar Pasha ji.
Siddharth ji, it seems that you are ignorant of NCRB reports.
No, I'm absolutely not, sir. What is that?
Bihar tops in crime.
Yeah, but it has come down from the earlier
government record.
This is government record. Every day, dozens of murders.
All of them flew away.
And who is protecting
one chief minister and one family was the protector of crime.
Who is protecting the murder?
The state is not protected today.
He is
the political party are not the protector.
The murder
were made from
them out of jail by amending the manual of jail. They were brought from the jail for this kind of incident. This is real Jungle Raj.
Well, I can.
This is
I'm just doing a quick Google check. Kerala has a higher crime rate than Bihar. So
UP is higher.
Kerala is higher than Bihar. One small point, that it is a mockery that today only they have released Viksit Bharat ka agenda, and their own candidate, Anand Singh, is a candidate from the NDA only. He is the prime suspect of killing a Jan Suraj. I would say.
But there are allegations from the other side also that have come in. Yes. There is
what sort of Bihar are they going to create when they are fielding such candidates?
But let me do the seat projections as we come towards the finale of the show where numbers matter. The Bihar seat share. Well, we are looking at JVC's predictions. BJP 70 to 81, JDU 42 to 48, LJP Ramvilas Paswan, Chirag Paswan's party 5 to 7, HAM, which is Manjhi's party 2, and then RLM Kushwaha party, the Panch Pandavs 1 to 2. BJP 120 to 140, again the senior partner, and JDU the junior partner. And Dr. Sanjay Kumar, I want to ask you, are you nervous? Everybody in the opposition is asking the question, नीतीश कुमार बनेंगे कि नहीं? थोड़ा सा बुखार चढ़ रहा है, नर्वसनेस हो रही है ये नंबर देखकर?
नहीं बिल्कुल, there is no nervousness and we are quite confident. I think we are going to beat this survey for sure. Then
why did Nitish Kumar not speak? Why did Nitish Kumar not speak today at the release of the manifesto?
Because he is addressing 7 to 9 rallies, and every day he has a busy schedule. And I think the document is with everyone for the manifesto. Wow.
He has no time.
Sorry, sir. What did you say? I said no respect for the manifesto that comes once in 5 years. No, it was
Rahul Gandhi in your launch, sir. You were not even on the poster.
He was there to launch this. He launched along with other NDA leaders.
Stop insulting the people of Bihar.
He believe in content. You guys believe in posts. He believe in लोगों का तिरस्कार अपमान 20 साल तक किया है आप लोगों ने।
संजय झा, महागठबंधन के नंबर सुनेंगे तो संजय झा आपकी थोड़ी सी बोलती शायद बंद हो जाए, बिकॉज इफ आई कैन नाउ प्रोजेक्ट द Mahagठबंधन seat share. In the Mahagठबंधन, Tejasvi performing neck and neck with the BJP, 69 to 78. Compare this to the BJP 70 to 81. Tejasvi Yadav neck and neck with the BJP. It is the Congress that is bringing down the Mahagठबंधन 9 to 17. 9 to 17 is the range where the Congress is. If they had performed like the JDU is performing, well, the story would have been different. Look at CPI-ML, which is 12 to 14, CPI 1, CPM 1 to 2. So, Mahagठबंधन at 93 to 112. RJD performing well, Congress bringing it down. And Anwar Pasha जी, मैं शुरू से पूछ रही हूँ ये सवाल, क्या राहुल गांधी आपके लिए कहीं ना कहीं लायबिलिटी है?
बिल्कुल नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है। राहुल गांधी इज अ नेशनल लीडर।
नो थैंक्स टू यू संजय झा, इतने खुश मत होइए। मेहनत, ऑल द हैवी लिफ्टिंग डन बाय तेजस्वी जी।
नाविका जी, वाई प्राइम मिनिस्टर वाज नॉट देयर, वाई होम मिनिस्टर वाज नॉट देयर इन द रिलीज फंक्शन? You are asking why Rahul Gandhi was not there. That's what I'm asking.
अरे भैया,
why they were not there?
Anwar Pasha ji,
they are camping in
Anwar
Bihar.
Pasha ji seat projection में
Entire cabinet of central government is camping in Bihar.
Anwar Pasha ji, which means it is very clear Professor Anwar Pasha does not want to speak on Rahul Gandhi one way or another because he doesn't think he's a factor. Rahul Gandhi पर आप नहीं बोलेंगे, आपने
मैंने बोल दिया, मैंने
क्या बोला?
No, he is a national leader.
National leader.
Obviously.
बिहार में इनका
he is an asset for anybody. He's for asset for anybody.
He's bringing you down.
He's a national leader के बिहार में ना आए तो अच्छा है. Yeah, he's a leader. He's a as Tejasvi Yadav ji is a declared face for CM. He is the future of Bihar. Likewise, Rahul Gandhi is the CM.
I agree. अच्छा, प्रोफेसर अनवर पाशा, मेरा एक सवाल का जवाब दे दीजिए। I am not contesting. Tejasvi is the senior partner in Bihar. Rahul Gandhi and Congress the junior partner. Point taken. Point taken. No contest in that. I am saying Tejasvi is bringing the senior partner's numbers. The junior partner is not allowing you to cross the halfway mark because 61 seats were given to them. They are winning in the range of 9 to 17. Is that going to be the price Tejasvi will pay because his partner is not performing? Please answer directly the question.
This is your calculation. As per our calculation, we are going to win 150 seats in Bihar. Comfortable, I think, majority we are going to get in Bihar because people of Bihar are with us.
No, absolutely not.
People of Bihar have faith in Tejasvi Yadav ji. They have faith in India.
Their whole Gadbandhan is a Gadbandhan and they have completely failed because their whole members, within their whole
selection is
within their own coalition, the members and the participants are in a state of disarray. They don't know whom to follow, whom to vote for, and still, if that was not enough, they are still in a
perception.
No, sir, there is friendly fight going on in Bihar. Is it my perception? It's the reality of Bihar which your coalition has failed pathetically in Bihar.
Everybody is saying that
let me also project the other parties who are not part of any of these alliances. AIMIM once again poised to get 3 to 4 seats. Last time it was 5. 4 MLAs taken away by the RJD. This time 3 to 4 once again. BSP 2, JSP 0 to 1, JJD and Independent.
JJD is Tejasvi Yadav's brother, elder brother.
Oh,
Mahua, he is leading. He is leading right
and
now.
Jan Suraj Party, you are saying 0 to 1.
Oh, 0 to 1.
And Independents 3. So JJD is Tej Pratap Yadav and BSP 2.
Yes. Navika ji, I need to give a disclaimer also here to our viewers that generally on ground, people are very exuberant in saying that I am an RJD supporter. But an NDA or a BJP supporter doesn't say so much. He is silent.
डर लग रहा है,
डर लग रहा है
कि ये लोग आज महागठबंधन आ जाएंगे.
Yes, if they come,
this is the projection of just one agency survey.
Yeah,
that is
we've been tracking it from August, September, and October.
Of other agencies also.
Sure.
You have just one, you are discussing it here, which is giving edge to BJP or NDA.
No,
and what about other 9 agencies?
It's an
giving edge to
We will.
India government.
I promise
you should also discuss about
yes,
it.
I promise you we will do a poll of polls. ये नया आया हमारे साथ JVC हैं तो हम पहले उनका ही दिखाएंगे. Poll of polls भी करेंगे. If that gives you a better edge, आप हमें चाय पिलाइएगा. अगर नहीं होगा हम आपको हर हाल में चाय पिलाएंगे. लेकिन असीम वकार साहब, once again 3 to 4 seats projected for the AIMIM. ये किसके खाते से जा रही हैं? क्या महागठबंधन को बदला आपने जो लेना था इससे हो जाएगा पूरा? क्या ये मैसेजिंग है महागठबंधन को? कुछ तो बताइए.
नहीं, हम बदला लेने किसी से नहीं आए हैं और सियासत में बदला नहीं चलता है. सियासत में हम अपना चुनाव लड़ने आए हैं, अपने लोगों को जिताने आए हैं. हम किसी को हराने नहीं आए हैं मैडम. हराने की बात ये तेजस्वी जी कर रहे हैं, हराने की बात राहुल जी कर रहे हैं, हराने की बात प्रशांत किशोर कर रहे हैं, हराने की बात बीजेपी वाले कर रहे हैं. इकलौते मैदान में MIM वाले और असद ओवैसी साहब हैं जो कह रहे हैं कि हम खुद जीतने आए हैं. तुम हारोगे अपनी गलती से.
चुनाव के टाइम याद आया
भाई, इसमें हराने की क्या बात है? बहुत से लोग मैदान में हैं.
सिद्धार्थ,
तेजस्वी जी के सगे भाई मैदान में हैं.
देखिए, मेरे को मतलब आई जस्ट होप
हमको
स्पेशली फॉर
वकार
साहब कि 3 से 4 आपका
तो बीजेपी का एजेंट बताया.
आप इसको ये चुराए नहीं.
आप पाशा साहब
बहुत गलत हुआ था पिछली बार. माई ओनली हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट इज वकार साहब एंड माई देखिए, जनता का मैंडेट जो होता है वो सबसे बड़ा होता है. आपको मिलेगा तो उसका पूरा सम्मान हो. बस चिंता ऐसी करिएगा, घेराबंदी करिएगा कि चुरा के ना ले जाए बाहर. तो लास्ट टाइम भी आपके पाशा साहब ने थोड़ा सा गलत किया था, चुरा के ले गए थे सारे आपके जीते हुए विधायकों को.
अलीगढ़ के ताले मशहूर है और वकार साहब आप यूपी से हैं. अलीगढ़ के ताले मंगवा
2020 में
I also want to show you the tracker of how these polls have tracked the 3 parties, all the people in the fray. August 27th we did one survey, 26th of September, and now the latest one on 31st of October. The BJP's graph going up, RJD's graph going up, and then if you look at the Mahagathbandhan, it is coming down because the JDU is also, it went up in September, slightly down now. The Congress is steady, same as September, has gone up from its August ranking, and the Jan Suraj party peaked in September, and that's what Akshat I wanted to show you. That is where we are seeing that the Jan Suraj party probably peaked in September. In October, it has a catch-up game to do if it wants to cut any ice in these elections. But for now, well, advantage NDA, close fight, 2% give or take between the two alliance partners. Pandavas on one side and the Mahagathbandhan's friendly fights on the other. Beech mein chota sa pataka Owaisi ji ka. Anwar Pasha ji, I love your sense of humor. Aap kam se kam muskura rahe hain. These are the variables that we are looking at. 6 days to go for the first vote to be polled in Bihar. What's going to happen? In the end, JVC, the big disclaimer, in the end, public hai, sab janti hai. If it is right, well,
yours.
Mine.
If it is wrong, it's mine.
Times now. And if it is wrong, JVC is the problem. All of you can attack him. Well, that's on a lighter note, but for now, all eyes on Bihar, 6th of November, and Times Now is the election news headquarters. We'll keep you ahead on every single development. With that, it's a wrap on the News Hour tonight. Good night. Be safe.